If you ask yourself why the markets are so optimistic about next year, you should internalize this figure. In the financial landscape of 2024, a massive cash reserve in money market funds is emerging as a solid safety net for the stock market. As highlighted by FundStrat's technical strategist Mark Newton, with the allure of 5% interest rates, money market fund assets have soared, reaching a staggering almost $6 trillion, up 24% from the previous year's $4.73 trillion. Despite recent record highs for the Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq 100, Newton emphasizes the significance of this cash influx, indicating that minor market pullbacks could be opportune buying moments. As optimism grows and sentiment polls turn positive, the substantial cash reserves provide a reassuring foundation. Looking ahead, Newton suggests that funds may start deploying cash in the new year, potentially amplifying the market rally, particularly if the Federal Reserve initiates interest rate cuts, making holding cash less appealing compared to the stock market. Stay tuned as the financial landscape evolves in the coming months.